Hello everyone. I, Assistant Professor Parita Unadkat, once again welcomes you all to the E-Series session for the subject Organizational Behavior. The topic we are going to discuss today is Issues of OB and Model of OB. Starting with issues of OB. Generally, OB is studying individual behavior, whether the individual is working as an interpersonal, intrapersonal or in organization. There are many issues that the study will be facing for studying any individual. First, managing diversity. Managing diversity means the organizations are becoming more heterogeneous mix of people in the form of gender, age, place and ethnicity. A diverse workforce within women, people in the different color, physically disabled people, etc. And to manage this people as an individual or to study all these people into a diversity is an issue for the organization. Second, change employee expectation. There will be an increasing change in the expectation of people always with the time. And to manage this change, to accept this change, to resist this change as an employee and to study this change is an issue and a difficult thing for an organization. Third, technology transformation. The technological changes within the time becomes the biggest issue for the study of an employee. As far as the time is moving, the technology will be changing. Changing the technology will change the behavior of an employee and ultimately it will be an issue to once again study that behavior of an employee as an intrapersonal, interpersonal and organizational change. Globalization. Organizations are no longer constrained by the national border. Example, Burger King is covered by British firm. McD's produce the burgers in Moscow. Major automobile manufacturers builds outside the border, and thus this time which is going to globalization over here, studying an employee's behavior is a difficult task. Changing demographics of a workforce. The increasing state of working population in India has made an employee change the demographics, and hence changing demographics needs the study of an employee whether his behavior is positive or negative working in the changed demographics. So all these were the issues which were noticed while studying in human behavior or by studying in organizational behavior or any group behavior. With this, let us move to model of OB. There are different models of OB. 5 main different models which will talk on basis of models, managerial of organizations, so how organization manages things, employees management, employee psychological results, employees need in this kind of model. If this model is applied, what is the employee's need, performance result, and the example of the each and every model is covered in the table. Starting with first model of organization behavior, autocratic. The basis of this model is power. Over here, the power has been executed by the boss. This model is mainly adopted by the defense team in the organization. Managerial orientation over here is authority. Employee orientation is obedience. Over here, an employee needs to be very obedient. This depends on boss. This is very tough as a decision making process. And thus the defense team is the biggest and the main example of the model autocratic. Second is custodial. Custodial model talks about the factories like garments where it depends on the organization, it depends on the passive compensation, it depends on money. The third is supportive where the basis is leadership, where you get support from your leader, which is the main example is any software team. The next is collegial. Collegial is partnership where teamwork is noticed, which is self-disciplined, which specifically is run by any social organization. And the last is system. System is where everybody is attached with a set system, set rules, set policies, which nowadays many corporate firms are adopting. These are 5 different models of OB named autocratic, custodial, supportive, collegial and system. With this, keep learning. The next session would be given in the next video. Thank you.